Once you log into this MAS site, you might see some notifications, some yellow or red notifications, which actually represent blacklisted license plates or whitelisted. So the application behind the blacklist is, for example, maybe ex-employees come back to your facilities that they might left unhappy with the company, or if you have, for example, some unwanted customers that are coming back often, then you can actually be alerted when a specific blacklisted license plate comes into the facility. For the whitelist application, this could be actually something the other way around. It could be your VIP customers, it could be your employees, it could be basically anyone that actually you want to give special attention whenever they come into your business. So this is a very easy way to manage it by just having this refreshing every couple of seconds, and it's collecting. Could be from 3 parking lots, could be for 100 different parking lots, or even more, right?
So let's say you have multiple license plate cameras set up in one site. There's really no limit as to how many cameras can be recognizing license plates and adding them to this list, correct?
Yes, exactly. So the way that works in the technology portion is that basically we will have a camera dedicated to capture the license plate on each parking lot entrance, for example, and we'll have a local server actually doing the license plate recognition. So after the software has done the license plate capture and recognition, it pushes the data back to our cloud page, which is the one you're seeing right now. And from here, we actually just collect all the information and merge with the blacklist and whitelist database.
Right. Okay. Is
Okay.
there any way to search by like date or search by license plate number if you want to see if a specific vehicle, how many times that vehicle has entered the parking lot?
Yes, actually, if you go to the upper left area, you'll see the data analysis tab.
Mm-hmm.
So if you click on that one, you'll actually be able to select a date range. So you can select, for example, between April 30 to May 1st, just to have a very small date range.
Okay.
And then you can just click on submit.
And then you can also filter by plate number.
Exactly, and you can filter by plate number. You can use wildcards, which is actually very important because sometimes you won't know the full license plate number that you're looking for. You'll just have partial search, or even maybe the license plate recognition is not always going to be 100% accurate. So by allowing the wildcard search, then you can actually get a better result on the search.
Interesting.
And then if you actually click on service efficiency, that's a sub tab inside the frame,
Okay.
you'll see actually a report chart. So actually this will give you by number of days how many licenses have been detected and how many different vehicles, because they are different, right? If the same vehicle comes 30 times a day, then it will give you 30 more license plates, but it's the same vehicle as before.
Got it.
And all of this information can be exported to PDF, could be exported to an Excel, and then that gives a lot of options. Also, you can filter by only blacklisted car, only whitelisted cars, and so on.
Interesting. Okay, cool. So going back to the main screen, I guess, right? Or
Yeah.
you want me to stay in the screen?
No, I think this is very it's a very simple demo. So it's basically a very easy way to manage the parking lots in terms of license plates.
Okay.
And then if you go back to the mas.acti.com,
So what's the URL again? mas.acti.com.
yes.
Okay, got it.
So you'll find a couple of other demos. Another interesting demo, for example, is going to be the system management.
Okay.
So if you click on that one, uh, as you may know, some enterprise customers actually they have a very strong IT department, and they might wanna have very strict monitoring control. So actually, if they're using our NVR solution, which is our NVR3 software, or our CMS or our cameras, actually we can use this type of dashboard reports to get what's the availability of our NVRs, what's the availability of our cameras, and create historical reports. So actually, any person that is actually doing monitoring for this type of KPIs can actually have a good reference of the uptime of the system.
Okay. And this system dashboard is mainly used for the ACTi NVR, not for a third-party NVR, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
The core is for our NVR. We have some room for some customization, but normally it's going to be used for our NVR.
Got it. Okay. What about, let's go back to, okay, so from the main menu, I'm looking at, we've already discussed the retail side of it. What's fleet management? Do you have
Okay,
anything on that?
yes. So if you go to the fleet management site one, there's one and two. Go to number one.
Okay.
So actually, this is also used normally for logistics. So this is a very simple demo site in which actually we have a dynamic map. These are powered by Google Maps, and the idea is that you can track multiple cars because we do have MNR solutions, which are mobile recorders solutions. And the idea is that they can send the GPS information to our cloud servers, and we can map where the car locations are from this. So we can put together through the 4G connectivity both video and coordinates of the cars, of the vehicles.
Okay.
And in a more advanced solution, it can be even design some routes. So if a card is not in the route that it is supposed to be, or for some reason we have detected some abnormal events, then we can use that to put them on alarm status panel as well.
Okay. So got it. I see it. Uh, do you have any other retail application integration? So, for example, what about like POS text overlay using the camera?
Yes, we do have the option of doing text overlay on the DV on our NVR. So on our NVR software, actually, we do have a module that is for point of sales integration. So we have a few brands that have been integrated already, and then I don't have any site for this specifically because this focus more on operation management and business intelligence.
Okay,
And normally the text overlay will be more like a security loss and prevention feature.
got it.
Yeah, but we do have that on our software.
What's fleet management too?
So it's a different site because this is, again, as I said at the beginning, this is customized dashboards. So actually the idea with this is that we just take metadata from different places, and we have created a few projects for some of our customers, which later then they become solutions, right? So in this case, it's a bus fleet management system. So they were interested in not knowing only where the buses are located in a given in at any time. They also want to know how many passengers do they have at
Right.
that particular place. So basically, we installed people counting cameras in the entrance of the buses, and then we not only send the GPS data and the video data, we also send the people count data back to our cloud, and then we can create reports of that.
Interesting. So it's like analytics on top of analytics.
Exactly, exactly. So
Okay.
that's the great thing about our MAS concept, our market application suite, because it's mostly metadata It's data coming from our analytics, so we can like play around a little bit with the data and create these customized dashboards.
And it's all cloud-based.
Yes,
And business owners or managers can choose to enroll in certain like maybe instead of all of the components, they can just enroll in one or more of the components, correct?
exactly, exactly.
Got it. Okay, perfect. If you have any additional uh, need to discuss your project, please give us a call at 877-332-5779, extension 1 for sales. Thank you for your time.